Okay, today we will learn the next exercise, trigonometric ratios of specific angles. So, in 10th standard, you will be learning only specific angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. So, how this particular trigonometric ratios are calculated for specific angles, only this angles only you will be learning. So, I have taken a trace. Now, I have taken trace of my left hand. So, my thumb finger shows 0 degree, 30 degree, middle finger 45 degree, sorry, the center finger 45 degree, middle finger 60 degree, that is the ring finger. Ring finger is 60 degree, middle finger 45 degree, pointer finger 30 degree, thumb finger 0 degree, and the little finger 90 degree. See, my left hand trace I have taken. So, now in writing, while writing exam also, you can use your left hand to remember all these formulas. So, now if I am folding this thumb finger, 4 fingers are towards the little finger and there is no finger towards the thumb. 0 degree when I am folding. When I am folding 30 degree, you can see here there is 1 finger towards the thumb, whereas 3 fingers towards the little finger. Now I am folding 45 degree. There are 2 fingers towards the thumb, 2 fingers towards the little finger. Now I am folding 60 degree. There are 3 fingers towards the thumb, 1 finger towards the little finger. If I am folding 90 degree, there are 4 fingers towards the thumb. 4 fingers towards the thumb. There is no finger towards the little finger. So, like this, now we will be learning about some specific angles for trigonometric ratio. So, now first I will teach how to find the trigonometric ratios of basic trigonometric ratios. You know that sin theta and cos theta are the basic trigonometric ratios. So, let me explain that. See, now you can see my paper, I have written sin theta is nothing but root of number of fingers towards the thumb, whereas cos theta is nothing but root of number of fingers towards little finger. So, by 2. So, this formula you should remember, root of number of fingers towards thumb by 2 sin theta, whereas cos theta is nothing but root of number of fingers towards little finger divided by 2. Now, let us calculate sin 0. So, what am I doing? Sin is nothing but what I told, number of fingers towards the thumb. So, sin 0. So, sin 0 only they are asking. So, I am folding 0. Now, how many fingers are towards the thumb? There is no finger. So, I am writing 0 by 2, which is nothing but 0. 0 by anything is nothing but 0. Okay. Next, we will see cos theta. Cos theta is nothing but root of number of fingers towards little finger by 2. Now, they are asking 0 degree only. So, I am folding 0 degree. So, cos 0, now we are going to find out. Cos 0. Cos 0 I am going to find out. So, now I am folding 0 degree. Now, what is the condition? Number of fingers towards little finger by 2. Root of number of fingers towards little finger by 2. So, now you can see that towards little finger how many fingers are there? 4. So, I am writing root 4 by 2, which is root 4 is what? 2 by 2, which is nothing but 1. So, cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0. Next, I will calculate sin 30. Okay. Now, here 30 degree we are asked. So, I am folding 30 degree. What is the formula for sin theta? Number of fingers, root of number of fingers towards thumb divided by 2. So, towards thumb how many are there? Only 1. 1 finger is there. So, I am writing 1 by 2. So, that is 1 by 2 you cannot simplify. So, sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Next, we will calculate cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree. So 30 degrees, since it is asked, I am folding 30 degree fingers. So the formula is number of fingers towards little finger divided by 2, root. So towards little finger, how many fingers are there? 3 fingers. So I am writing root 3 by 2. Can you simplify root 3 by 2? You need not put the decimal values. Directly can you simplify? It's not possible. So leave it root 3 by 2. Next, sin 45. Sin 45 I am finding. So now I am folding 45 degree finger. So formula is number of fingers towards thumb. So towards thumb, how many fingers are there? 2. So root 2 by 2. I can again write 2 as root 2 into root 2. I am cancelling root 2 and root 2, so you are getting 1 by root 2. So sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Like that, we will calculate cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree. So you can see here 45 degree finger I am folding. Formula is root of number of fingers towards left by 2. So how many fingers are there? 2. So root 2 by 2, again following the same form, root 2 by root 2 into root 2, root and root gets cancelled. So we are getting 1 by root 2. So okay, next let me find sin 60 degree. So sin 60 degree. So now 60 degree is asked. So what am I doing? I am folding 60 degree finger. Formula is number of fingers, root of number of fingers towards thumb divided by 2. So if using that concept, I am folding 60 degree. Can you tell me how many fingers are towards the thumb? 3 fingers. 3 fingers towards the thumb. So what am I doing? Root 3 by 2. So sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Similarly, cos 60 degree. Okay, now cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree, what am I doing? The 60 degree finger I am folding. So number of fingers towards little finger. Formula for cos is root of number of fingers towards little finger by 2. So towards little finger 1 only is there. So I am writing root 1 by 2. Root 1 is nothing but 1. So 1 by 2 is the answer. Next I am going to find sin 90 degree. So sin 90 degree, what am I doing? 90 degree finger I am folding. So number of fingers towards left, towards the thumb, 4 fingers are there. So I am calculating root 4 by 2. Root 4 by 2 is nothing but 2 by 2, which is nothing but 1. So sin 90 is 1. Similarly, cos 90. Cos 90 formula is root of number of fingers towards little finger by 2. So now I am folding 90 degree. 90 degree finger I have folded. Towards the little finger, how many fingers are there? There is no finger. So I am writing root 0 by 2. Root 0 is nothing but 0. So 0 is the answer. So cos 90 is 0. So you can calculate the trigonometric ratios of sin 0 is 0, sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, sin 90 is 1. Similarly, cos also you can calculate. Cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, and cos 90 is 0. So these two basic angles, if you are remembering, you can easily calculate tan, cosecant, secant, then cot. So I will explain you how to calculate that.